It's MM01, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you type the O.
Which one? Okay, sorry. So you said here.
No, when after you log in.
Before that, if I can just show you what I'm talking about, then you know if that is what it is.
Okay.
So this is where you type whether you want to create the material name you want to create, right?
Yeah, you type the material type.
So the material type.
Yeah.
Oh.
Doesn't show you the short code, and it's quite long to search for your one. And that's the reason I show you the way to solve this setting.
You remember when we were doing it? This place is where we type maybe screen, battery, and what have you?
No.
Or where did we type it?
No, there you type the material type.
So here's okay.
Let's see which one is your material type. Your material type.
So where did we say we should do it? I should log out.
Yes. But you can use the other window. It's open in the remote bed. That one, yeah. Go there, yeah. Options. Sorry, visual design. No, sorry, interaction design. Yeah, visualization one. And then in control, you check those two. Apply. And okay.
Did it apply? Because like the apply did not.
I think that you already done it. Try in the other screen. Okay, I'll do it again.
Okay, it's ticked.
Yes.
Okay, so
now it's solved. You can see the.
So if I'm checking it, what has it solved? If I'm doing it, what do I do here?
You need to type your material type. Let me see which one is yours.
Which was even the material type?
Your material type APRO for raw material.
APR. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
If you can try create one just to remind what you need to do.
Technologies for Apple. Is it?
You can type the bracket.
Bracket?
Yeah. So that technology.
It's not. It's technologies for Apple, right?
Yes.
This is what I'm seeing here. Oh, is this one?
That one, yeah.
Oh. Okay, then you continue.
Yeah. And then basic data. All the MRP.
That's all right.
Yeah, and the general plans to that one as well. And then all levels. Okay. It's okay.
Which level?
No, it's okay. They open the correct window. London 1. I think it's better you close it and type it because it's gonna take so long because there are too many plans. But okay.
Okay, so this is where you type what you are creating.
Yeah, the description. You can type maybe
cable.
Yeah.
Raw material.
Apple 400, I think, is for you.
So this is material group. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Apple 400. Yeah.
Okay. So next, enter.
Enter.
Yeah.
Enter. Yeah.
There's no.
No mandatory. Purchasing group.
Where? This one. But
Yeah.
why, if it's mandatory, why is the six not there?
I don't know. I think someone removed the start, but this one is important.
Can you please check my purchasing group?
Yes,
for me?
IG 5. And the SPD, this material is planned by MRP. MRP control you create 002. Also EX.
EX.
Yeah.
I wish I could write this one somewhere.
They are in the steps in the
tracking.
Yes, in the tracking homework. Procurement type is X, is okay.
This one? It's already there.
Yeah, it's already there. Let's see, 30 days. This basically is how many days it takes it to do a cable or take it to do an iPhone. That's the main thing. Nothing is mandatory in this one. Ability to check is 01.
01?
Yeah, it's basically how they are checking the stock. No, 01. It's how they check if the stock is available.
Okay.
Daily requirements.
Okay. There's no
mandatory in MRP4.
I think
and
it's
this
back
one doesn't need to be, we don't have mandatory in this one as well. Go to the next one as well. You can just type enter. Don't worry, enter. It takes you to the next one. And you can see they bring the hour valuation class 88500 and the material ledger is activate.
So the 500. Okay. Okay.
They bring automatically the settings we've done before. And you can go to account number 2.
Where? This one?
Enter. No, enter.
Enter.
And that's only the price. Enter and you can save it. And now you can save it. Yes.
Okay.
And now it's saved. And if you want to check your stock, your materials,
if you want to check what?
The materials you have created, the T code is you can type in the command field /O 6060. /O MM 60.
60.
Yeah, 60. You delete the material number there.
So you have to put the material number.
No, delete it. Delete the material number. And type your plant. You don't know one. Execute. You don't need to type anything else. Just the plant.
I've entered, but it's still there.
Execute.
Execute. Oh.
Yeah. And you can see the ones we create. We create battery. And I create iPhone box just to set. I was trying to test if your data it was correct. But if you can create at least 2 of each, that means it's going to be 2 raw materials, 2 finished products, and 2 service and 2 packing materials.
Okay, for my tracking, 2 each.
2 each, yeah.
Okay. So all these ones we created for raw materials. So I should do 2 for the rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's clear for you, or do you have question about it?
I'm fine. So when I'm creating those ones, I just need to check the warehouse locations. I'll put them, and then the material group, what's that one? A500. That bit based on
Sorry?
the valuation class. It will select for me myself. Yeah.
No, it will be come out with all the information by automatically.
Okay. All right.
You don't in the evaluation class. You don't need to type it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Today we're gonna see vendor master data to start another topic. If this is clear for you, or do you want to practice something else?
No, this is okay. I'll do the tracking. If I have any challenge, I'll.
Okay. Don't forget the T code MM60
to check.
To check. You can write it down.
Okay. I'll get it. Okay.
Okay. Let me share my screen now. You see my screen now, Abigail? Abigail, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, today we're going to start another subject, and I don't know if you remember about something about vendor master data in the classes you already.
Yeah, it sounds familiar.
Okay, do you know what is vendor?
A customer, people that buy from the company.
Yeah.
Or suppliers?
Vendor or supplier, yeah.
Yeah, suppliers.
It's basically a company that offers something to sell. That's it. But the definition is the master data is a central repository of information about the vendor or suppliers in SAP, and it contains all the details we need for business transactions, such as vendor name, address, tax information, payment terms, purchasing data. We're gonna basically do the same we did for materials. We're gonna start to doing all the settings, all the customizing for how to create a business partner. Yeah. And also this information is also shared with financial accounting. And also one is part of, let's see, 90% of the projects you will work with, the vendor will be creating financial accounting, but it's important to know how to create and how to do the steps. And also, once the vendor is created, it can be used for procurement and also for accounting processes. And this is the structure for the vendor master data. We have general data, company code data, and purchase organization data as well. The general data this applies to the entire client and also includes details such as vendor name, address, and tax information, as we saw in the other page. And also it contains the company data that is specific to financial accounting and also includes payment terms, reconciliation account, and bank details. And in the purchase organization data, that is specified the purchasing size. Can be include the currency, income tax, partner functions. And this one is the steps we're gonna follow. First step, we're gonna define the groups for vendors. We're gonna define the screen layout per company code. We're gonna define the screen layout per activity as well. And also we're gonna create the number ranges for vendor and account. And we're gonna assign the number ranges for vendor account groups. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Sorry, I don't know. My microphone was. Did you hear about what I said about the number ranges?
Yeah, I heard it's up to you where you said you assign number ranges for them.
Yeah, but remember at the end we can do your ones, because when I was checking your tracking homework, I noticed you haven't created the number ranges for packing and service for material types.
Really?
Yeah, but you can use my ones. We gonna assign it at the end of the lesson, if you remember.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna go into the system, SPRO, EMG, and that is part of financial accounting.
Are you still sharing your screen?
Okay, sorry. Yes. Yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, it's the same way. We are going to SPRO, ENG, financial accounting. And we are going to account receivable and account receivable and accounts payable, supplier account, master data.
This is not in SPRO, yeah?
Sorry?
This is not done in SPRO.
Yes. We are in SPRO. Can I start again? Oh, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Master data, and we're gonna do two preparation and create supplier master data. And we're gonna start with the first one and define account group with the screen layout vendors. And we're gonna create our account groups. And the account group for vendor is basically the groups control the number ranges and determine which fields are required, optional, or hidden in a vendor master. We're gonna do just the basic settings for the vendors. And I'm gonna create AP, VIP.
So you are creating this?
Yeah. Meaning is the same as a description in this case. We're gonna create VIP vendor for London. Yes, that's the question.
You have to create the VIP vendor. It's a
as a group. Yeah, as a group. Oh. We are creating the account group for vendors. First, that's the first step. We are start to do the settings we need for the business partner. The same way we create the settings for material, we are gonna do for business partner. Then you go to general data. Okay, this is already existing. We need to change this. Okay. We are going to decide which one field we need to be suppressed, required, or optional entry, or just display. We're gonna click in the address. We're gonna put name number 1, tester, and postcode will be required. And in communication, all can be optional. And in control, all will be optional. And payment transaction all will be optional. And contact person will be optional as well. And then we are going to company code data. And we're going to have the account management. As a required, we're going to set up the account reconciliation account. Will be required. That's the only one we need to change. In payment transaction, we're going to click in required entry. And you can, in correspondence, all will be optional entry, and tax always gonna be optional entry. And then we go to purchasing data, and in purchasing data will be the first one, purchase order currency will be required, and payment terms of payment will be required as well, and goods received based on invoice verification will be required. This one will be optional entry, you don't need to change anything. This one as well, we don't need to do anything. And we can just save it. Okay, our own number. Vendor master. And it's already created. We need to create 3. We're gonna create local vendor as well.
So VIP vendor. So that VIP vendor thing is already in the system, but you need to create the
No,
exact
it's not
one.
already in the system. We're gonna create our own one for our own setting. We're gonna see this is available. We're gonna create the local. This is already in the system. Okay, let me take my notes because otherwise I will forget those. The description will be local vendors. For the plan London. Basically, we need to do the same. The address will be the name, the tenth and postcode. This one, it can be optional. Okay. Then we're going to company code. The reconciliation will be required. The third payment will be required as well. Correspondent will be optional. And then we're going to purchasing data. Purchasing order currency will be required, payment terms will be required, and goods verification will be. We're gonna, for local, we are not gonna put this one just to do something, do a business scenario different. For local, we don't need to do that one. Okay, we can save it. It's saved. And we're gonna create one-time vendor account, and that one is, for example, if you just, let's say you went to a meeting, and then you buy like a coffee in a different shop, and you're gonna use just one time, that's gonna be this one. This is one-time vendor. London, and you're gonna tick here one-time vendor, and that already exists. Okay, we're gonna do basically the same address, there, postcode, communication will be everything optional, control as well, payment terms. We are going to company data, reconciliation, payment terms, corresponding will be optional. And then we go to purchasing data. Purchase order currency will be required. Terms of payment will be required. And goods received based on invoice verification will be required as well. And then we save it. And I'm gonna take my notes because okay, we finish here. The second step we're gonna do is define screen layout per company code. This one I'm gonna do just one time. I think they are already in the system. AP50. Yeah, there is already in the system. We don't need to do anything, but we just double check if the information is correct, because we are using the same company. You are using the company April 50 and I use April 50, just the difference is the plant. But we will just double check if everything is correct.
So by screen layouts for company code, you mean how the company code, the company has, which ones the company says required and optional?
Yes.
So you do required and optional per vendor. And then why does you also need to, the company code also has to have their own?
Because it's because we have the first one with this is for the account groups, for vendor account groups. This one is this one is already in the system. We just checking if everything is correct.
So when you're creating a vendor, whilst you are creating a vendor, you select company code as well, right? Which company code? So when you select the company code, this optional and requirement entry is what will come up when you are creating a vendor.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. So then why did we have to do it for the vendor groups as well? Because creating a vendor means after you put it under the company code, you put it under a vendor group. I don't know if I'm asking it the right way. I want to know that if this was already there in the system, that AP50 has their required and optional entries.
We just double checking if everything is correct, because more people are using this company. We just want to know if all the settings are correct or not.
Okay.
This is the reconciliation account needs to be required. Payment test needs to be required. And everything else will be optional. Basically, in the step number 2, you don't need to do anything. Just double check if everything is correct. Because it's already done in the system for AP50. And now we're gonna define the screen layout per activity. This one is basically it's depending how the let me see this way. It depends per activity. Basically, if you're gonna create vendor, you're gonna change vendors. But in this one, I just want to show you the steps. But everything is already setting up in the system. We don't need to do anything.
Where did you go to come here? A shortcut?
Okay. We are going in the final screen per activity.
So this is where you go to do all the steps that we mentioned.
Yeah. And I just want to show you this, but we don't need to do any changes because it will affect everyone in the system. Okay, and now we're gonna start to create the number ranges. And will be this one. We're gonna create, first of all, the number ranges. You go to intervals. In this one is better because we have the free intervals. If you type it here, the system will show you the intervals if they are free. You don't need to go and check. Remember, when we create for material types, we need to just find out where it's free and where or which one we can edit. In this one, it's different because you can choose which one you want to use. Okay. We're gonna create. Let's say we're gonna use this one, and then let's say this one is okay. But you see, this number is quite high. It's quite big. We don't need all of this. Okay, let's create first, and let's see if this is available. Okay, and then we change it here. Can be up to 200 because it's too much. AP will be for VIP account, VIP vendors. Okay, we create that one. And then for local, we're gonna create an external one. I don't know if you remember about internal and external numbers, number ranges. Basically, internal is the system will be assigned one number for you, but external, you can type whatever you want. Let's say you are deal with Siemens, and you can click Siemens and it's last number one. You can type different numbers, but you need to do, it's gonna be manual. Let me see which one. I'm looking for A to Z. This one. We're gonna use this GD for local, and we don't need to create. It's already in the system. And we're gonna create one for local. Sometimes they say there are no free intervals, but you go back and do it again, and it will be show you. Now they show you. Okay, we're gonna create. Let's say one. This one. We can use this one as well. Let's start with Q. Okay, this one is quite high as well, quite big, and we don't need it. 97. No. 3,300. And save it. It's already there, and we need to assign it. We will go to position, and we're gonna add it our one, and then this is local. Local will be GD, and one-time vendor will be Q. And it's done. We have done the 5 steps we need to create the vendor account. All the steps are done. Do you have more time and we can create your ones, Abigail?
Okay.
Let me stop sharing. Okay.
So I should share?
Yes.
So from financial accounting?
Account receivable and account payable. Supplier accounts. Master data. Preparation for create supply master data. The first one, define account group.
Okay.
No, the first one, define.
Mm-hmm.
That one.
Did this happen to you?
Sorry. Okay. It's okay.
Mm.
Because maybe it was me.
Oh, okay.
But just in case, delete all of them.
I thought it was going to open. Okay. New entry. I need to create for myself for VIP group. I think you've muted your.
Sorry, Abigail. Yes, you can. You need to create your one.
So if you could check my.
No, we need to work out which one is available. Let's type AP.
AP.
No, sorry, just A and VIP.
This.
No, VIP. Victor, A. No, A. First of all, A.
I should start with A.
A, yeah, A.
Uh-huh.
Victor. E. Sorry, I, P. VIP.
That's for my VIP clients.
Yes.
Correct?
That is correct, yeah.
Do I save this? No, I have
No.
to check this, yeah?
Yeah, check the general data first. Address, the name, the search term,
Put the search item.
yes, and the postcode.
Then I go enter.
No, go to the next one. If you see next to the command field, there is like a
This.
square with an arrow.
Mhm.
That one, yeah. That will be optional, all would be optional. Control will be all optional as well. Optional as well. Okay, you can back. And you can back with the arrow. You see this SAP, yeah, there is an arrow. You can go back with that one. Again. And now you go to company data, company code. Account reconciliation account will be mandatory. And then next. Payment terms of payment will be required as well. Next. That will be optional. All optional.
So back, yeah?
Yeah, back. Back again. And then you go to purchasing data. Purchasing order currency will be required. Payment terms will be required as well. Terms of payment. And goods receipt, that one as well. Next. That will be optional. Next. No, next. That will be optional as well. And now back. And we can save it.
Okay.
Now,
You have created VIP vendors.
yeah.
So
Now we need to create the local one. New entry. Let's try with A. LOC. Yes. That will be local vendor. Okay, go to general data. Address. Name will be mandatory. First name, Santos code. Control is optional.
These ones are optional, yeah?
Yes, optional. Payment terms are optional as well.
I go back.
Yes. Company data. Account number. Reconciliation account. Next. Terms of payment. And the rest will be optional.
What?
That is optional, all optional. All optional. Back. Purchasing data. Purchasing currency. Terms of payments. And we are not going to do the goods receipts in this one. Next. Back. No, back.
Oh.
And you can save the one. And now we need to create the first time buyer, the first time vendor.
One time.
Yeah, it can be A, one time. Okay.
A1, is it okay?
Yeah, try the one if this is free.
Is that okay?
Yeah. And you need to click in one time account.
So
General
same
data.
thing.
The same thing, yeah.
These are all optional.
Yes, control is optional as well. Payment terms are optional as well. Back.
Okay.
Yes. Terms of payment as well. Back. And purchasing data. That is mandatory and in terms of payments and goods receipts based in verification will be that one. And all that will be optional. That's optional. And back.
Sorry. Okay.
And save it. We already create the account groups. Now we need to go back. Back again. And the second one is already done in the system. The one for the company. The activity as well is already done. We don't need to change anything. But we're going to create your number ranges.
True.
But there is in the same one, no.
Oh.
Financial accounting.
Yeah.
Accounts receivable and accounts payable. Supplier accounts. Master data. Preparation for, not the first one, Abigail. Preparation for creating supplier master data. And in that one, is need to create number ranges.
Where is it?
Back. No,
I
sorry,
should-
no, they're there. Down. That one. Intervals.
This one, yeah? Oh no.
The second one.
This
The second one. Now check which one are free. Okay. Let's use the third one. The one that starts with 23. You can, let's see.
I should change it here.
No, let's see they're available first, and then we can edit the numbers.
So how
But
do you
we
see
need,
it?
we need a shortcut. Let's say hashtag.
Hashtag.
Yeah,
I should press
the
on hashtag.
yeah, or the number, the symbol of numbers.
I'm confused. What do I do next?
You need to type a shortcut in the where they say numbers.
I should type the numbers here.
No,
Ish.
okay. Do again. Go back because they are not gonna show you the free.
I should go back.
Yes.
No.
No. Intervals. Free intervals.
You said the third one.
The third one. But we need to find out which one doesn't exist in the system. Like it's the two digits. Let's try with numbers. You know the symbol of numbers. Just type numbers.
To type it here.
Yeah. Let's try set.
Set what?
Set.
6.
Yeah, let's see. No, that is already in the system.
You want to have a name for it? Is that what we are doing?
Yes. We need that 2-digit code. They are not in the system already. Let's see. Let's use T to see. This is T. Yeah. And clicking the tick, enter. This already exists. Try with T.
I should still keep the hashtag number there.
No, hashtag is okay, but we need to set something. They are not in the system. T. Let's try with T. Okay, that will be worse for us. Let's now
So this is it.
Yeah, that's one.
So
We
we've
need
created.
to change it. Yeah, but we need to change it because it's quite high. You can copy the same, and at the end you can just copy and paste. Yeah. And change for 700.
So I can save now.
Yes.
So this one I've created is for which one? This number
for VIP. Yes.
But did it ask us if we were creating it for VIP?
No, because we need to assign it then.
We
just
need to
created.
assign it.
Yeah.
Okay.
For
T.
the local will be GD because it's like an external one. We don't need to create, but we need to create one for the one-time vendors. You can go and check if there are more free intervals. Okay, let's choose another one. Maybe it can be the 80. Yeah, you can type numbers and try with W to see if it's available. Okay, that's working.
I think this is okay.
Yeah, that's okay. It's 500 numbers, but that's okay. Now we need to assign it.
So I can save it?
Yes.
So I should go back?
Yes. Okay, and
assign
then
number ranges to here, right?
Next one, yeah. Position. A VIP.
So number T?
Yeah, number T.
I should save, yeah?
You can go on to position. We can do the three at the same time.
This is it, yeah?
No, close that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, position again. And A lock. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That will be.
No, I've not done for one time. Okay.
Yeah, don't worry.
We should give this one to the one time.
Yeah, and then we can do the other one.
Okay.
Number W. And then position.
But we've not created the third one. We only did two.
Yeah, but go to position. And A1.
I just did A1.
Yeah, okay, A lock. And that will be GD.
GB, the one you did?
GD. Yeah, because it will be external.
There's one here.
Yeah, because a lot of people use that one because it's external number. You can save it now. And we assign the 3 vendor accounts.
Okay. So, in my tracking,
let me share the tracking homework. Can you see my screen? In the tracking is the materials. I put just some random raw materials if you want to create those ones.
You said I had not done number ranges for which one?
For service and packing material.
Okay.
But you can use my ones if you want.
I can still use your own?
Yes, you can use W8 and W9.
And I can also create some if I get any free intervals?
Yes.
Okay, and then what else will I do for the tracking?
You need to do materials.
Okay.
Is this one, and you need to type it, material numbers, plan, storage location, material type, and description. In this one. When you create your one, you just type it here, Abigail, and then the material numbers, the plan, storage location. You can just type it this. And this is the VIP, the vendor integration. And let's type it the one you create. You create a BP and the A lock. No way. A BP, A lock, and A1. And I'm gonna type it the number ranges for you, the one we create. And you don't need to do anything for vendor master or vendor master data. Just do the materials. And in the next section, we're going to do the business partner. And we're going to use all the settings we create today, we're going to use for the next one.
So because we've already done the vendors today, I should just do the materials and the number of ranges for my tracking.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it. And we can meet you again on Thursday. It's okay for you Thursday?
Yeah, but we'll have to maybe do earlier.
What time?
Or yeah, Thursday is maybe 30 minutes earlier, so that because I have to leave the house by 9 on Thursday.
By 9. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can do